Climate has become more important to me than day-to-day weather forecasting. This is Hurricane's Eye on Climate. Climate myth number 1. They were predicting an ice age in the 70s. That's wrong. So wrong. One of the biggest climate myths of all. Now, how do I know that? I was there as an intern with the National Weather Service and National Hurricane Center in Miami. While the public was being bombarded by scary headlines about the coming ice age, climate scientists were overwhelmingly more concerned about future warming, global warming. It sure was plenty cold back in the mid-70s. It was so cold that there was story after story in the national media about the coming ice age. And there were hugely popular books about the cooling as well. Perhaps the most popular was the appropriately titled book, The Cooling, by Lowell Ponte. Another was The Weather Machine by Nigel Calder. Now the problem is, Ponte was not a scientist. Neither was Nigel Calder. And do you trust that Time magazine was ever the authority on science? Of course not. It was super cold. So let's sell some books and magazines scaring people about the coming ice age. I was there, and I heard from the real climate expert. Indeed, working around the time at the National Hurricane Center, we had a guest lecturer named J. Murray Mitchell give us a talk about future climate. Now, he was pretty qualified, the senior climate scientist for NOAA. And he told us that the cooling talk was, quote, irresponsible, and that the real climate danger in the future was for warming. Yeah, there were a few papers that predicted or mentioned continued cooling, but researchers looked at the published peer-reviewed climate papers from the period, and they found there were 6 times more warming papers than cooling ones. The great website Skeptical Science lists more than 100 myths about climate change, with simple and detailed explanations and references, including the one I'm talking about today. One of the references had this headline: The Myth of 1970s Global Cooling Scientific Consensus, in the AMS Bulletin. So if you hear somebody sarcastically say, well, they were predicting an ice age back in the 70s, direct them to this episode, or simply direct them to Skeptical Science, because they probably believe lots more myths about science and climate. And that is Hurricane's Eye on Climate.